Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Shiva Ravindra. So I am going to explain clinical SAS projects in practice hands-on scenarios and code insights. So many programmers are difficult to clear their interviews due to so the interview panel members they will ask you most of the times real-time scenarios. So they know the base and advanced SAS codings and even they have worked on the tables, listings, figures, Adams and SDTM, but still some scenarios they won't experienced in their career, and so even they experience also they may forgot the derivations and so the logics. But in the interview panel members, if they are asking the type of questions, so that time they feel like so difficulties to crack that questions. So today onwards I am going to explain that type of some scenarios so that it will helpful for freshers as well as who are experienced people, so they clear their interviews and they want to brush up their technical skills on the projects. These videos are very much helpful, and today I am going to start with the topic one, scenario one. So this is the most common scenarios which we can face in any ADSL data set. So they will ask you question, what is the method for calculating the BMI in a ADSL dataset, and which scenario should be BMI included as a variable? So always BMI is not a variable to include in the dataset. When we have to use and how to derive that BMI variable, we'll see in today's session. So whenever we have seen any project in that cases, you can open the mock shells and search with the BMI keyword any mock shell, any output containing the BMI related information that should be indicate that BMI variable need to be included in the data set and we have to calculate. So BMI is not a collected variable. So if it is a collected, we can directly use from the CRF and raw data set. But in case if it is not collected, we have to derive in the ADSL. And here you can see one of the mock cell containing the BMI summary statistics related information. That means we have to include the BMI. And the units also you can see kg per meter square. That means weight should be calculated in the kg, height should be in the calculated in the cm. If the information is collected in a different unit, we have to convert them into the proper kgs and cm in the CM units in the SDTM. So then we can use that variable for calculating the BMI. So most of the times height, weight, BMI information you can find in the vital signs data set. So here you can see the standard variables for that information is VS test. We can see the height and weight, and the VS STRESN is the standard numeric version variable, and VS STRESC use the units for the particular in parameter, means the test information units. So here after conversion, either it may be calculated LB or meters or something, that this is a standard variable. It should be follow in the SI units. Okay. So this information centimeter, this is the kg. VS STRESN, standard results numeric version and standard results units. Okay. So once you taken from the SDTM VS data set into the ADSL, and this is the formula to calculate the BMI, kg per meter square, weight by height square. So that is why meter square is the units. So as you know how to write a formula, syntax is the weight and height should not be missing, then BMI. So you can give whatever maybe name it should be. BMI BL nothing but baseline BMI, weight variable divided by height into height, means height divided by 100 whole square. Whole square you can write star star into 2, it will calculate the height square. So once you get the values, you can type in the Google and check the enter the values of any particular record, and you can check whether your BMI populated correctly or not. So this BMI variable very much helpful in the ADSL. So this type of questions you can subscribe my channel and watch the remaining videos.